Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change your Facebook page name. Let's jump straight into it guys. First open up browser. You just need to search for facebook.com. Press enter. Now log into your account guys and click on this account icon and switch this profile to the page profile. Now click on the page profile icon. Now click on settings privacy. Select settings again. Under the general page settings, you can able to see the name. In here select the edit option, and in here you can replace the new name guys. In here, before proceeding, Facebook requires up to 3 days in to review your new page name. Once you change the page name, you won't be able to change the name again for next 60 days guys. Therefore, make sure that your new page name is up to Facebook's profile naming rule. Select the review changes for save changes the new name guys. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.